see, the stalemate in Nehu continues till today. The government of Meghalaya have taken up with the Sdang government, and many organizations from Nehu also, they meet Honorable Chief Minister, and they meet me also, to see that this impasse in Nehu should end at the earliest. So, but the ministry till date have not given anything. So as of now, the situation is remaining like that. And we know that the province of Shillong campus, by Umdor, he has tendered his resignation. But till date, it has not been accepted. And we came to know also that there is a constraint for the province of Tura to come here to Shillong. So if there is no province in Shillong, being the headquarters of Nehu, it will affect many things, be academic, be the wages or the thing of the contractual staff or mustarul there, or another thing also. And once it affect Shillong headquarters, it will affect to about 70 affiliated colleges all over the state. So in this scenario, I urge the Umdor, Dr. Sumar bin Umdor, since his resignation have not been accepted as a province, he should resume his duty so that the administration in Shillong campus should at least be going whatever it is. So this is the only thing which update which I want, as you said, to in this news. So what I hopeful that the central government, the Ministry of Education, will come out with the permanent solution. I have talked to all the stakeholders. I have talked to all stakeholders, and we are also in communication with the ministry. But as I said, that since the permanent solution have not been arrived, have not been there, so and since the province, incumbent province of Shillong, his resignation have not been accepted, so for the smooth functioning of the university, I request that he should resume his duties so that a normal transaction or normal administration of the Shillong campus also should run smoothly, of course, with the province of Tura. Thank you. I make a request in the sense that not because of any issue. The issue is the welfare of the student, the welfare of the staff there. So that's why pending the final decision taken by the ministry, so it is better. And moreover, since his resignation have not been accepted, it is better for the incumbent province to resume his duty. Thank you.